What if I told you that you could quit your 9 to 5, work from anywhere in the world and make thousands of dollars a month just by uploading videos? Sounds crazy, right? Well, in today's video, I'm breaking down 20 ways you can make money on YouTube in 2025. And trust me, some of these are so insane, you won't even believe they're real. And at the end, I'm going to reveal a method that is making some YouTubers over $1 million per year without even showing the face. So let's get into it. Hi, I'm Nelly and I have built 3 YouTube channels in the last few years with over 1 million subscribers in total. And I'm on a personal mission this year to connect deeper with my community and improve as many lives as possible by showing you how to break free from the 9 to 5 hustle and make your way to financial freedom. And I've been doing YouTube full-time for a few years and my parents still have absolutely no clue how I actually make money. And the truth is, most people don't know, and therefore they're missing out on a big money pot that is filled with cash. So today, I'm going to spill the tea. YouTube AdSense. The most basic way, AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 3 million short views in 90 days, YouTube starts paying you for ads. But listen, ads won't make you rich unless you're cracking the code or your name is Mr. Beast. So I wouldn't bet on it solely, but long-form content holds great opportunity to create a community and sell through longer videos. You're building trust and you can monetize your channel further from here. And we'll talk about it all in this video. YouTube Shorts revenue share. YouTube now splits ad revenue from Shorts, and I have seen some creators are making 5 figures a month just from this. And I wish I would be one of them. But just to keep it real, it's probably going to be very little at first. However, you can utilize Shorts to grow faster and reach a new audience because YouTube pushes Shorts like crazy. So bring those people in. Super chats and super stickers. If you do live streams, fans can donate money in real time. If you have an engaged audience, this is basically free money. So if you are a gamer or just a passionate live streamer in your own niche, this is the way to go. The best way to encourage your fans is to respond to their channel donations by giving them a shout out or simply replying to their comment or questions. Just say, hey Susan, thank you so much for your donation. I really appreciate it. I've seen you in the comment section for so long. Just a token of appreciation means a lot to me. YouTube memberships. This lets fans pay monthly for exclusive content. Not only fans, but close. Works great if you build a tight-knit community and think of behind the scenes, bonus recipes for cooking channels or teaching skills or whatever. Very important here is that you don't drop the ball and create content consistently. If people pay for monthly memberships, you have to deliver. Have a clear picture of what you are offering to your community and make sure, please make sure it's sustainable so you don't add more to your plate that is not doable. YouTube shopping. YouTube has implemented a feature now that offers a great commission tool for creators who love to review products. In some cases, brands send you the products for free. Yep, you can tag them in your videos and earn. The affiliate link is directly connected to YouTube, so there is absolutely no need to set up anything outside of the platform. This is a feature that YouTube is pushing heavily. So if you want to review products, this is probably the way to go. Shopping through social media is a growing segment. So if you want to be early in the game, this is your sign to start. Just do it. Brand sponsorships. Companies will pay you to promote the products, and here's the secret. You don't need millions of subscribers. Micro-influencers with the right niche and just a few thousand subscribers are making $500 to $10,000 per deal. So what are you waiting for? I'm hosting a free training on April 17th on how to land paid partnerships. All you need to do is to invest 1 hour of your time to see what kind of options you have with a social media career. And it's going to be such a great overview of what is possible. And what you will learn is how to pitch and secure brand deals and the secret to getting brands to say yes, and the mistakes most creators make when reaching out to brands and how to avoid them. So this is also for people who don't have a big following or no following at all. So yeah, in case you're watching this video after the event, feel free to sign up for my newsletter. I will add all of the details in the description box for you, and also if you want to sign up for the event, it's also in the description box. Affiliate marketing. Promote the product, drop your link and get paid every time someone buys. Amazon, digital courses, software, you have endless options, and it works the best if you are promoting a product or a service that is either a great fit for your brand or something that you're truly passionate about. From my experience, the more authentic it is, the better you are selling the product or service. Here's an example. I had a medical emergency while traveling and documented my experience in my travel blog. I did a whole breakdown of how much it cost and how glad I was that I had a travel insurance that covered all of the costs, including surgery abroad. So that resulted in high conversions. This is how you sell affiliate. Selling digital products. Create an ebook, template, or guide, sell it through Gumroad or Teachable, and make passive income while you sleep. A good example are travel or workout guides. You can also sell ebooks with recipes or create one for gardening. This is a great passive income. And you can also sell Canva templates and talk about a specific topic and sell the template with it. Let's say social media. You're into social media and you create templates for people on social media. Easy sell. The important part here is that you collect email addresses and create a mailing list to just utilize it further for monetization. Selling a course or coaching. If you're an expert in literally anything, fitness, editing, marketing, even knitting, you can sell a course and charge $100 to $500 per student. This has worked so well for a friend of mine. She had over 100k followers on Instagram and only 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. But she made more money with YouTube because she built trust through a long form content, and the conversion rates are higher on YouTube. You are the trailblazer, you are the authority on YouTube. If you establish yourself as that, it's an easy sell. Selling merch. You can use Printify or Teespring to sell shirts like this one, hoodies and mugs without touching inventory. Just link it to your channel and profit from it. The great thing about this is that you can implement a storefront on YouTube, and setting it up takes only 1 hour. You don't have to do anything else than promoting your merch. No logistics, no payment systems, no customer service. So easy. Creating an exclusive Discord community. You can start a paid Discord or Patreon where members can get exclusive access to you. Trust me, people are willing to pay for that. Friends of mine have established a community around family island living and are creating additional content for their Patreons. This is a great way to connect deeper with your audience and have a bit more unpolished content that people can relate to and learn from. Plus, it's additional income. Crowdfunding and donations. If you have a passionate audience, you can set up a GoFundMe, Kickstarter, or Buy Me a Coffee for donations. If you are creating a product and want to take your audience on this journey, tell them about your dreams and goals and advertise it. Don't be shy. Even something simple as putting your PayPal in the description box helps. I've put my PayPal in my description box in case someone wants to buy me coffee. I basically just say, hey, if you want to buy me a coffee, my PayPal is in the description box down below, and next time I won't look that tired and I can push for better content. So it is really just a matter of communicating it. And some people really make a couple $100 extra just by pushing it on the video. Stock footage and B-roll. You can shoot cinematic travel, city or nature clips and sell them on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock for passive income. Also drone shots, perfect for it. You are basically selling usage rights. I have shot a lot of B-roll clips of specific places and I can sell it on platforms to license it. You get paid per purchase, which is a great passive income, and I've seen a photographer that made $15,000 just from this per month. YouTube automation, the faceless channels. Okay, listen up. You don't even need to be on camera. You can hire freelancers on Fiverr to do scripts, voiceovers, and editing and run multiple YouTube channels without even showing your face. This is a big trend right now. Not everybody is comfortable in front of the camera, or you simply want to stay anonymous. This is a growing segment on YouTube that can generate a lot of AdSense, and you can utilize AI for it. Repurposing content for multiple platforms. You can take your YouTube clips and monetize them on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels for extra ad revenue, which is basically passive income. Not many people know this, but Facebook is monetized, TikTok is monetized, and even Threads. And some of these platforms are literally throwing bonus payments at you for simply posting content you already created. So just make sure you repurpose your content and post it on other platforms as well. YouTube content licensing. If your video goes viral, companies might pay to use your clips in commercials, TV, or news footage. So better go viral. You have probably seen content on BuzzFeed, Puberty, or other viral pages. And going viral is hard, but if it happens, this is a nice option to have to generate additional income. I have friends who went viral because their baby took a bath and experienced a bath ball that dissolves in the water for the very first time. They got, I think, 30 million views on that video. They could have licensed it and sold it. Unfortunately, they missed the opportunity, but they grew subscribers, so it's not a loss. Running a paid newsletter. Start a paid newsletter on Beehive or Substack and charge subscribers for exclusive insights. One great example that YouTube couple Kara and Nate are doing are hacks for getting cheap flights, and people pay for it. It can also be weekly recipes. The possibilities are endless. This can be as simple as selling an email subscription for daily affirmations or motivational quotes. You don't have to overthink it. Sometimes people just appreciate the simple things. YouTube podcasting. YouTube is pushing podcasts really hard right now. You can upload long-form interviews, add sponsors, and double your income. You can post a podcast on other platforms such as Spotify or Anchor. The more distribution channels you have, the better it is for you. Selling shoutouts. You can charge $50 to $500 plus for sponsored shoutouts to brands or smaller creators. People are willing to pay for it. Think of birthdays, special occasions, anniversaries. People connect deeply with YouTubers, and it means a lot to them to have some words of affirmations. There are even platforms for shoutouts where people can sign up as well, so it's a nice side income to have. AI generated content for YouTube. This is a game changer. With AI tools like Runway, 11 Labs, and Pika Labs, you can create entire Faceless YouTube channels in finance, history, storytelling, or tech, or like whatever you feel like, with almost no effort. If I would start over, I would probably go with this option as it gives you a lot of freedom. The creation process is easier than usual YouTube videos, and you stay anonymous, so it's a win. Wow, that was a mouthful. I would definitely not do all of them, but yeah, that's 20 different ways how to make money on YouTube in 2025. Now tell me in the comment section down below which method you're going to try first. If you want to turn your YouTube into a full-time career, make sure to subscribe because I drop real actionable tips every week. And if you want my free newsletter on how to grow your YouTube channel fast, join my mailing list. The link is in the description box down below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.